Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie on rainy clouds where creativity takes flight on the wings of imagination. Join me as we explore the boundless realms of art from whimsical watercolors to bold brushstrokes, all against the backdrop of a rainy day's tranquility. Let's embark on this journey together where every stroke of the brush brings color to the world. Step into a world where raindrops dance on the canvas, creating a symphony of inspiration. Through each video, we will unlock the secrets of artistic expression, whether it's mastering new techniques or finding beauty in the simplest of subjects. So, grab your paints, your brushes, and let's dive into the wonderful world of creativity with Rosie on Rainy Cloud. Let's paint our dreams into reality. Get ready to unleash your inner artist with our step by step tutorials. From beginner basics to advanced techniques, each video is crafted with care to guide you on your artistic journey. Whether you are a seasoned painter or just picking up a brush for the first time, there's something here for everyone. Join me as we explore the wonders of color theory, composition, and beyond. Let's turn rainy days into masterpieces together. Delve into the world of mixed media where we blend various artistic elements to create stunning works of art. Follow along as we experiment with textures, layering, and unconventional material to push the boundaries of traditional artistry. With each tutorial, you will not only learn new techniques but also gain the confidence to express yourself freely on the canvas. So let's embark on this creative journey together, where every rainy day becomes an opportunity to unleash our imagination and creativity. Thank you so much.